So when you first walk into this room, you kind of see like an overview of almost the whole thing. It's not really the biggest room. So here you can see that there's 2 windows. They're pretty big and they bring in a lot of light. I really, really like that about this room. And I have some lace curtains on there that I got from my mom's friend. Down here I have a tray, a gold and mirrored tray that I got from Wholesale National Liquidators for like $12. I have this tree thing, kind of looks weird, but it actually is like, I think it's supposed to hold jewelry. I got it from the thrift store for like $2.99 and it was originally gray and I felt like it looked like it was a jewelry holder. So I painted it gold and gold and like copper, and then I put some twine on it and also some lights. And now it kind of just looks like a tree that lights up. I'll show you it lit as well. I'll insert a clip of it. Then I also have this book that I got from Wholesale National Liquidators for like maybe $3. It just says, "Let all that you do be done in love." And on top here I have, oh, you can see my NYX hoodie. I am from New York, obviously. You see these mirrors I have here. I honestly don't remember where I got them. I may have gotten them from Fala's. I don't know if you guys are familiar with some of the stores that I'm going to be mentioning. I know that there's definitely some in the tri-state area in the 5 boroughs of New York, but I don't know how big they are. But I think I got these from Fala's. It used to be Conway. And they have a lot of really nice stuff, like things you would see at similar to like Home Goods, but like super, super cheap. So I really like them. I guess we'll go over here. I have a DIY that I made. This is just a mason jar. I painted it with some chalk paint and put some like lace on it and these flowers that I actually think I got these flowers from Dollar Tree, but I could be wrong. I also DIY'd this picture frame. It's me and my cousin for my 21st birthday. And I also DIY'd this little bird. I made it look like he was on like a nest or something. This is a frame that I got at National Wholesale Liquidators. That's actually my great-great-grandmother from like the 1800s. You can see we have like a resemblance. I'm totally kidding. That's not my great-grandma at all. That's just like what came in the picture. This piece I got from the thrift store. And I don't know, I kind of liked it. I thought it like was like a beachy vibe, but kind of fit the room a little bit. And I put this chain on it. If you see, that has like butterflies on it. This is a necklace that actually broke, so I was gonna throw it out, but I just made use of it. And then I have this weird little, I don't know what the hell this thing is. It looks cute when it was on, right? But it just doesn't stay. Also, there's candles in both of these that are battery operated. I got the candles from Michael's. This piece I got from Family Dollar, actually, and I think it's like a lantern, and I put this on top of it. It's like a candle cover. Like, this was on top of a candle, and it just fits like perfectly. So I don't know, I like to make use of the most random things. I'm a weirdo. So I also have this necklace I also put on this to just like kind of decor it up a little. So back to the curtains. I feel like you can't really like make out how nice they are. Here is the bed, and funny story about this bed is my 96-year-old great-grandfather was coming over and he was gonna sleep over, or so I thought. So I like literally rushed all over, and I was like, I had to go to like 3 different places, and I got this bed like super quick. I got it delivered, and I got all these like pillows and things to match. So I was like, okay, I guess this is turning into a guest room. And he came over and only stayed for a few hours. He didn't even sleep over, so I just had this bed for like no reason. Like, nobody sleeps in here. Bedspread from, I think, Deals and Discounts. yeah, Deals and Discounts, and I got the pillows from Deals and Discounts as well. But 2 pillows in the middle. My mom's friend also gave me these. I think it might be the same friend who gave me the curtains, but they literally match so perfectly. I feel like they look like they belong there. So above the bed, I used to actually have like something that looked like a headboard. I'll show it to you later. Here I have a little shelf that I got from the furniture market. It's in Astoria. I will link it down below. I think they have like a Facebook account and an Instagram, so I'm gonna link that down below. A lot of the things in my apartment have been furnished by them, and I absolutely love this store. On top, I just have some like flowers that I like just randomly like put there from Michaels. And then here I have this beautiful piece also from the furniture market. I feel like it literally reminded me of the Titanic. I don't know why, but it did. It's kind of like I guess a cabinet you would call it, and there's like a gold, like it's just so pretty. I love it. And it even has glass on the side so you can see inside as well on the side. And then on top I put that flower from Michaels. I actually put that flower there to like cover up because you can see the hook that hangs the cabinet, so I kind of put it there for that reason, but it actually looks really nice up there. And inside of it I have like some really fun antiques that I collected also from the furniture market. I think this one's not from, I think, where did I get this one? I think like a dollar store actually this one's from, but everything else in there is from the furniture market. I'll definitely link them down below. Also, I got this rug that literally matches the bed perfectly. I got the rug from Fallas. So now I have this desk that I got from the furniture market. I have a lot of like my arts and crafts, like scrapbooking stuff and stationery stuff in there. I was never able to find a chair that went with it. But I'm actually going to be changing everything around so I won't need a chair. I'll let you know what I'll be doing with this piece eventually. I have these 2 notebooks. So hidden underneath the windowsill, I actually have this like decorative box type thing. It actually was, if you can see here, scented drawer liners. It's like, I don't know if you guys know what that is, but it's basically you put it on the bottom of your drawer and it makes your clothes kind of smell good and it just looks prettier. There was a roll of that inside of it, but I really liked the box and it matched the theme a little, so I kept it. And usually I keep like pens and things in there, so it's more aesthetically pleasing. Like from here you don't really notice it, so I'll put like tape or whatever I have been using while I'm on this, writing on this desk or whatever. I usually put it in there, but right now I don't have anything in it. Then I have these candles that are from Michaels. They're little candlesticks, and I put these flowers on them that are also from Michaels. And the candles themselves, they are like battery operated and they are from Michaels as well. The marble windowsill. I got this Hugs and Kisses. It's kind of like a rock, like I guess it's like a ceramic material. I got it from my mom. It was originally like white and black, and I just painted this kind of with chalk paint, I think it was, and it's like a tan color. But I'm gonna, with like a paint marker, I'm gonna rewrite in the Hugs and Kisses and probably like brown or black, I think, maybe. Sorry, there's like a loud car. The windows are like right here, obviously. So this piece I got from the Dollar Tree for $1. It says "To travel is to live," and I absolutely love the color. I have an obsession with Paris, even though I feel like every girl has an obsession with Paris. I actually painted the sides of it like a tan color because they were black and I felt like it was just too dark for the room. Moving over, I have another DIY that I did. This is actually just like a candle holder, like a glass clear candle holder. I put like burlap and some, I don't know what you would even call this, and some flowers in there. I don't know, I like it. I think it's super cute. It's just like small and simple, but adds a little nice touch to the room. And then I have this picture frame. I don't remember where I got the picture frame, I'm sorry. But I did DIY a little like thing inside of it. I think I got most of that stuff from Michaels. And I think this one sticker right here is from, this one right here, is from the dollar store. This isn't just like a random little flower I put here. I don't know, I think it looks cute. So then I have this picture frame right here that I absolutely love. It's just a pretty color. It just looks very like, I don't know, I guess like vintage, antique-ish, and I really, really like that. Over here, obviously, I have another one of those curtains that I really like, but you can't really see it because it's so bright. And then I have this letter. It's supposed to be like a letter carrier thing, I guess. Like you can put your mail and stuff in there, or like notebooks and stuff. I got this from Wholesale National Liquidators. I absolutely love like the color and the feel of it. I think it just looks so pretty. Inside of it, I have this DIY that I did for fun. It was just like, I got this from the dollar store. It's like a wreath, and I just like twined like some ribbon and flowers on top of it. I also have this inside of here. I got it from National Wholesale Liquidators. It's just like you put like little notes on it. It's super cute. It has like the Paris theme. I liked the colors and what it said. Lovely thoughts. And I have this I got from Wholesale National Liquidators. I think you're supposed to put like plants in there or like faux flowers or something. I think it's really cute. There's like a bird detail on a branch. I feel like it was honestly like maybe $7.99, like super cheap. And as you can see, it's pretty big because it's like almost the same size as the door. I plan on putting flowers in there, but I'm actually changing around like all these rooms, which is the purpose of doing this video, because this room is going to be like no more. More on that later, but so you'll see what I'll end up doing with this, but it's going to end up being like a really cute piece. I can't wait to work on it. Have this sign that says, "He has made everything beautiful in its time." This is honestly, like, I love this piece. It's so pretty. If you see the detailing, it looks like wood, but it's actually not. And I don't know, the flowers look so cute. I don't know if you could see like the detailing. So here we have a cabinet that I got from the furniture market. It is an antique, and it's actually used to store your records. But I put paint in there because I usually paint in this room. So there is no records in there, though I really do want a record player. I'm looking for one, so if anyone finds one, let me know. This is like such a pretty color. It's kind of like, I guess maybe it would be called like a whitewashed wood with gold detailing, but I don't know really, but I just love it. It's really, really pretty. And up above it, I have this lamp that I got from HomeGoods in the clearance section for like $15 or $20, I think. I DIY'd the lampshade because it was just a white color and it didn't really match the theme of the room, so I hot glue gunned some fabric on it. And I don't know, I kind of really like it. And then I have this kind of like a tealish turquoise thing. I'm pretty sure I got this from HomeGoods. Sometimes I store my paintbrushes inside of it. I have this little candle holder that I got from Pamela, my friend. Thanks so much, Pamela. I love it. And I got this picture frame. I want to say that this might be from HomeGoods, but I could be wrong. It's kind of like it looks vintage and like has a lot of nice detailing. I really like the gold and the creamish color. It's really pretty. I love the detailing. It looks like it's like antique-ish. And inside of it, I have a picture of me and my friend Yasmin at prom. I think that was senior prom. And over here, I have like another picture frame that I think this is actually more called whitewash. It's like a sandalwood color. It reminds me a little bit of the beach. And inside, I have a picture of me and my Aunt Tess at my Aunt Erin's wedding. So this brings you back to the beginning of the room. This is like how you enter the room. And over here, I just have like a teal doormat. It's kind of really like actually a bath mat. I hope it doesn't look like one. It just matched the room, so I kind of put it there, whatever. And over here, I have these shutters. I have 2 on each side. I tried to like make it look like it was one big long one, but there is a little gap in between. It was really hard to hang them, especially by myself. I do a lot of the hanging by myself. So that's why things are not perfect, if you haven't noticed. This is where I actually originally like posted my prayers. Like I would like clip them onto here, or like some of them are like little scripture verses or like positive quotes. But I ended up not really using this room for a prayer room. I have a prayer journal that I write in. I try to write in it every single night and sometimes in the morning, and it's right by my it's on my nightstand by my bed. So I don't really use this room for a prayer room. That's why it's going to be changing. So I mean, I do have some fun things here. Like this is a wedding favor from my friend's wedding. I feel like most of the stuff on here is from her wedding. So cute. This is like the cutest favor. It says Let Love Grow, and it's Jason and Amber with their date on it, and it's just like little seeds to put in your garden and you can plant them. And this is how she asked me to be her bridesmaid. There was like little hair ties on here, and it says, I can't tie the knot without you. Will you be my bridesmaid? To have and to hold my hair back. No, to have and to hold your hair back. It's just a scripture verse that I wrote and some more things that I wrote. This is Amber's wedding invitation, and then this actually came with the piece that I thought it was really cute, right? I love it. And that's another like scripture verse, I think. So you can just see like the overview of it. And then over here, I just have like, that's her bridal shower invitation. Some scripture verses that I wrote. I think I got those little pieces of paper from Michaels and the clips from Michaels. And yeah, I just added like random flowers. Oh, and this was one of the wedding gifts she gave us. It says I couldn't tie the knot without you, and there was earrings that looked like knots, and like a bracelet that looked like a knot. Knots are super in right now, and it just like went with the theme. It was really cute. Love it.